Hi guys, so this is Anthony again, and today what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a bracelet. I was thinking about doing a bracelet like before, and I didn't know actually. I want to do a video, but I didn't really find inspiration, let's say. Call it inspiration if you want to. Yeah, I mean, the thing is that I wanted to do a bracelet with the lavastones. I got like really cool lavastones actually. And I don't know to whom, yeah. Or why. Actually, I did one for myself. Yes. Yep, can you see it? Cool. I like it. Me too. So, and I wanted to do one, and actually, and there was a friend whose grandma died, like not long ago, and she was kind of down, and I did a bracelet once for her. It was like with her baby's name. It was like I mean, I don't know, long time ago I would say, before this whole coronavirus stuff started, yeah. And yeah, so I had my, I mean, I always tell her like what kind of bracelets I do. I send her pictures, she likes them, she likes almost all the bracelets that I do. And I was thinking that, you know, since she was kind of down, that I could do something for her. Hopefully this video lasts for, I mean, if I can make it in a way that it goes quickly, I can finish this video pretty quickly as well. Yeah, so she was kind of down, and I was thinking that, you know, I could cheer her up. I mean, it's not much that you can do when someone dies. Yeah? I mean, I can tell you because of Laurie, yeah, she died, so I know what it is when someone important for you dies, and that's just a very, very tough, sort of tough moments, yeah. And you cannot. There's no way that you substitute a person, and especially when this person, you know, disappears from your life. So I'm going to do this. I was thinking if I should do it like this or not. I'm going to have a look. Yeah. See how it looks. And it's 15 centimeters, so these little balls are like beads. I always have the tendency of saying balls, man. It's just, it sounds really bad when I say balls. Ah, man. Anyways, what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to put it like this. Let me see. Why I'm doing it like that? Well, I can tell that I don't know it. I don't know why I'm doing it like this. But I think I have a reason. So since I don't have, like in this one for instance, I put like this decoration in between every single bead, and in this one I'm going to do it in a different way. So I'm going to put this decoration not between every single bead, but just leaving some distance between the letters, or the beads with the letters, and this deco. Why? I don't know. I think it feels like that this decoration should be a little bit far away from the names. It just feels like that. And I might actually like, I'm just doing this for you guys to enjoy some of my videos, the way you guys enjoy it. And I don't know. I am not considering how many beads I'm putting, which is not good, guys. Don't do that anymore. If you are doing it like this, don't do it, please, because it's like you are not basically organizing your ideas properly, and that's not good. Let's do 4. Yeah, 4. It's just a matter of, you know, checking out. Hey, what is that? Doesn't have this? Yeah, it does. It's beautiful. I mean, I don't know, they say like, oh yeah, lava stones have like some properties and whatever. I mean, if you guys believe that they have properties, then they have properties. To me, it's just like, They are just beautiful. What happened with this one? False. Yeah, new one. It's not that I have none. I have lots of those, yeah. So if it falls, you pick another one. Take yourself off, dust yourself off, and that's it. Yeah, and since I wanted to do like a video with this kind of lava stones, I think it's kind of a good reason, a good cause, yeah. Doing this for her, and just, I find it important. And you know that someone is going through a hard time. If you can cheer this person up, it's always a good thing. This A and F as like names of father, mother, her father, mother. So the initials, not the names, the initials. Because yeah, I know what I'm going to do. In this case, I'm not going to put any more beads. I mean, I'm going to put 2 beads, beads to beads, without any separation in this one. As I'm saying, I think it's just basically a matter of separating the decoration a little bit from the... I usually do it like that when I put like some deco, like for instance a tree or something. I usually put it here, like this one from Daniela, yeah, has the name, and then a little bit far away, like the decoration, yeah, you see that, yeah? So it's just like not to put it too close to the name, just like, So let's have a look at this one, how it looks like. I hope this video doesn't stop right now. So this is how it would look like. I'm not going to close it yet. This is how it would look like. So I'm saying the lava stones, if you want to use like the name of a person or something, you can put this perfect. If you put these white letters, do not, I tried with black letters yesterday and it doesn't look so nice because I think like the contrast is very important, yeah? White, black, white, black. And as I'm saying, this decoration I put it a little bit far away because I think it's like too much, will be too much for decoration, too close to the letters. And I mean, it's nice if it's in here, I think, yes, that's my opinion. I'm going to take a picture of this, I'm going to show it to her, and if she likes it, then I'll close it and I will post some pictures on, where is it, on Instagram. Anyways, guys, I hope you liked the video. If you like it, just hit like. If you want to subscribe, hit subscribe. And I'm gonna let you go, and I like you to enjoy your evening or day or whatever. See you, bye bye.